Hello and welcome back to the School Marketing YouTube channel. I'm Sophia with the Creative Content team, and as always, we are here to bring you the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and insights into digital marketing. Today, we are diving into the world of e-commerce within the social sphere and why it's absolutely critical to stay ahead in the game. So in this fast-paced realm of e-commerce, 2024 marks a significant turning point. So for social platforms like Instagram and TikTok, they are no longer just for socializing, they've become essential for the entire shopping experience. So take, for example, the recent partnership between Shopify and TikTok. It showcases how seamlessly social media and shopping are coming together and benefiting both consumers and businesses. The integration of Shopify and TikTok is just the tip of the iceberg. This fusion of social media and e-commerce signifies a huge shift, offering businesses of all sizes increased visibility and sales. Aside from these thrilling opportunities, consumer trust still should and always remain your top concern. So how can we ensure that individuals feel confident when making a split-second buying decision with just the click of a thumb? In 2024, it falls on the marketers to address a trust issue head-on. So things like streamlining return and refund processes, providing transparent ratings, and showing authentic customer reviews. These are all essential for instilling confidence in your shoppers. Trust isn't necessarily always about adhering to regulations. It's more so establishing a genuine connection through clear communication. So brands have to prioritize open and honest communication about product details, shipping, and customer service, and all those kinds of things on social media. Here at School Marketing, we understand the importance of transparent communication. Our team is dedicated to guiding businesses like yours through the dynamic realm of e-commerce, but more importantly, digital marketing. So if you have any questions or would like to learn more about it, please don't hesitate to reach out. Let's ensure that your business not only keeps up, but thrives in this ever-evolving online landscape. I hope you liked or learned something from this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. But like always, we will catch you in the next one.